One important thing to set up before you connect the EVK and the programmer board to your computer and connect to it through NanoBeacon Config Tool is to make sure that the correct USB drivers are installed. And in this video, we'll go over the different steps that are necessary to install and troubleshoot any issues that come up for the installation of the USB to UART driver. So most of the time you won't really need to do this, but just in case you have an error that shows up in Device Manager when you look at the device or your tag that's connected through the programmer board via USB cable to your computer. If it doesn't show up cleanly like here, then what you'd want to do is go to the NanoBeacon Config Tool website, which is at inplay-tech.com/nanobeacon-config-tool, or you can find it by going to inplay-tech and then browsing to the products and going to the Config Tool website. Down here in the download section, you'll see that there's the download for the config tool, but there's also the download for the USB to UART driver. So once you download that, you'll be presented with a zip file or a 7-zip file. You can download the 7-zip program from the website at 7-zip.org for Windows. And then once you extract the USB to UART driver, you can go into this CH341SER, and inside here you'll find that there's a setup.exe. Once you launch it, if you are having trouble, then make sure you first go with the uninstall option, do the uninstall, and then do the install. And just for making sure that everything is running cleanly in a clean environment, go ahead and restart your computer. And once you do that, you should be able to go back to the config tool, do a probe, and find that the device is discovered on the COM port that shows up in the device manager. So make sure that matches, and it should show up as a USB-serial CH340 with the COM number. Once you do that, you should be able to connect successfully to the device. Hope this was helpful. See you in the next video.